Hey YouTube, it's Andrew with Zocomo TV here. My wife and I this past weekend went out to do a little update on our garden. We'll call it a spring update, and just wanted to show you what we got. So first we have our seeds. This is what we actually went out to get, was just seeds. So you got carrots and onions and broccoli and greens, and we got these primarily because myself and my wife and our bearded dragon Ember would eat all of these things, so we're gonna get the most bang for our buck with this combination. And then we got zinnias because my wife likes zinnias and they're pretty, and we're gonna plant them and see what we can do. So my first thought was, cool, we got a bunch of seeds, $10, no big deal. But wait a second, what do you need to grow seeds? You need soil. So we got some soil. We got this Nature's Care organic and natural potting mix. Interestingly enough, Miracle-Gro potting mix was a 24 quart bag for $11. Well, we got this 32 quart bag for $8, so we saved money. And the interesting thing is, this is made by the same company, Scott's, that does Miracle-Gro. And what else do you need to grow seeds? You need pots. And we don't have any deep enough for carrots or onions, so we got this nice cool round one. We got these square ones. We got 4 square pots. Oh, why did we get 5 pots, you ask? Because we got a blueberry, and blueberries are yummy, I guess. So we got this little blueberry thing. It came in this long cardboard doohickey, and it was pretty dry, so I put some leftover potting mix from the fall in here, and we tried trying to survive it. So it's in the window here. So if you have any tips on growing blueberries, put them in the comments below. Like if you like blueberries. And what else did we get? We also got a hummingbird feeder, because last year we had impatiens and it attracted hummingbirds, but they didn't really stick around. So we got a hummingbird feeder, and of course you can't have a hummingbird feeder without nectar. So we got nectar as well. Then we also got a little trowel. So that was cool. That's our spring update for the garden, and all in all it was only about $136, so not bad. And if you're looking, stay tuned for more spring update in the video.